Using MPC1's Quantize and Swing feature can add a whole new dimension to your beats by changing the groove and the feel of your productions. So let's dive in and have a closer look. So let's turn on our metronome, and then we're going to go to our Quantize, and we've got that switched off. So we're going to program a beat now and then apply the Quantize after. So now that we've finished our beat, we'll come out of overdub and we'll go to Quantize, and we'll now turn this on to 16th, apply to all, and do it. And now all of our notes have snapped to the grid. But we've lost our human feel, so now we add swing. We're going to increase this to 60% and apply to all. Now you can hear the shuffle is now applied back into the beat. We can also use a feature called Don't Snap, which will move our notes off the grid. So we can select our snare, zoom in, and if I turn my data wheel, I'm moving the snare off the grid. So it's coming in early. Now you can pull the notes back and forth to really loosen up your production. So let's add some more elements to our beat.